Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you, or morning, or night, whenever you happen to be watching this. It's not my deal. We're going to be opening and unboxing the Gameprint, I apologize, Mixed Dimensions Star Trek Online 12-inch 3D color printed Starship today. We're going to check out the packaging. We're going to see how well they custom do it. We've seen all these before. We're very late in the game, as a matter of fact. I believe I was one of the very last people to order one when they still had the first initial sale deal thing going on. Anyway, the package has arrived. It says, "Please handle with care. Fragile. Thank you." It's got the ship name on the side, the USS Rosenrote. It actually just says Rosenrote. And this is fine. As long as it makes someone else print that name, I'm happy. I'm going to go ahead and carefully open the top here. Happily screw it up, of course. You'll please forgive me. I'm going to be taking photos of this the entire time as well. Probably because this footage is going to be of interest to no one. Okay, so we've got packing peanuts in here. Starchy kind. So that's good. Better anyway. I don't know which side is which on this. And this is likely to make a mess, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Sounds like it's fairly soft. And there we have the Gameprint box with their own custom tape for the Star Trek Online Starships. Get a little bit closer view on that. I think it's very nice, very tasteful. Bah. Now hopefully all you can see of me is a pair of disembodied hands, maybe a crotch. It's not my matter. I'm doing as carefully as I can here again. Simply because, you know, these are a one-time deal. And it's fairly expensive, so I don't want to screw any part of this up if I can avoid it. There's the tape is not centered. That doesn't matter. You can only unbox once. The people know. Now in other ones that I've seen of these, they have custom cut foam inserts. In this case, I got more of the same packing peanuts. And I'm wondering if that's because they emailed me at the beginning of the process and said, "Hey, we're going to have trouble printing your ship with the hand-painted style. Can we go ahead and make it half hand-painted, half 3D color printed?" They didn't give me an option. It was either yes or we'll cancel. Here's the stand. Nice little foam riser there. I'll bet that magnet's up at the top. Either that or it's come loose in shipment. You can kind of tell, if you can see that there, there are bits of little striations right in that little mating point. Says to me that this is 3D printed as well. In the interest of expediency, I'm going to carefully pour out these packing peanuts. A couple of extra things inside this box. Thank you for ordering your one-of-a-kind collectible from Gameprint. about Gameprint and Mixed Dimensions. The 3D modules are fragile and should be handled with care. A bunch of care instructions, basically. I'll set these over here. A card which requests unboxing videos, basically. And that'll be it on that. I feel like I might be using the wrong kind of knife to open this. I don't really have a choice. It's the best knife I have available right now. This first part is a sleeve that's simply been taped. They've nested it a few times in here. I'm going to be so upset with myself if I'm the one that ends up breaking it. Simply trying to get it out of the bubble wrap because this is tight. If I could hazard a guess, I'd say that this is the right side up. I can't see it through there. 2. Three. Here we go. Now we're coming to the moment of truth here. Okay, this one's got no tape on it, it's just straight open. And we come down to the final layer. One bit of tape. Two bits of tape, I lied. 3, how about that? It's kind of hard to see. That is normal, just cellophane tape. Then the cells are incredibly loose. I don't see that a lot of hand painting has gone on with this. So how's that's arrived? You can see it's a little jostly. They said that they would hand paint the additional details on here, and being totally fair, I don't believe they did that at all. But I am glad to finally have her right there. If only one nacelle had any troubles, I guess I'm lucky. Oh, nope, that one's loose as well. Might be emailing someone about that. The top ones seem to be fine. Well, there we go. USS Rosenroad unpacked. I'm not very happy with the quality of the colors, but I am very pleased with the quality of the print comparatively. As an amateur 3D printer, I usually see a lot more striations with this with my own work. You can kind of see it right there on the pylon. It's kind of got a sticky feel to it almost. Interesting. You can tell down there. I have to zoom way in, and it looks actually better on camera than it does in real life, I would say. Was it worth $350? No. Would I pay $200 for this? Yes. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Have a great one. Oh wait, before I sign off, why not put her on the stand? There we go. Thanks for tuning in.